This is Oscar with R3 Auto Detailing, and we offer premium mobile detailing services to the Houston and surrounding areas. So if you're interested in interior or exterior services, whether it's at your home, apartment, or office location, we can take care of that for you. Now, it's a pretty straightforward process. Just reach out to us with the services that you need on what date and time. We'll let you know the price, how long it's gonna take, and then we'll try to see what date and time best works for your schedule. Again, whether it's at your apartment, your home, or office location, that's fine, as long as we have enough space to get the job done and we have permission to work on the premises, then we should be good to go to get the job done. That way you don't have to leave, you don't have to worry about going to the car wash station or go to some detail shop. We can just go to you and get the job done. Our van is fully equipped, so we have a water tank, we have our pressure washer, we have a generator, so we have everything that we need in order to get the job done. All we need from you is access to the vehicle, the keys, and we'll get the job done. As far as where we travel, we do go to the Woodlands, Conroe, Magnolia, Atascocita, Humboldt, Midtown, Montrose, downtown, Katy. We travel a large portion of the Houston and surrounding area. So if you think we're out of your range zone, just ask, because there's a high likely chance that we do come to your area. Our goal is to get you scheduled in as soon as we can, but depending on the day or the week and our workload, it might be the next day, it might be in 3 days, or it might be the same day. Our goal is to get you in as soon as we can at your earliest convenience. Our two most popular services for mobile detailing, it's gonna be our full interior cleaning and our wash and wax services. So our full interior cleaning is where we clean in your interior to the best condition possible. So from top to bottom, front to rear, the interior will be cleaned as good as it can get. And our wash and wax is basically doing a thorough wash on the vehicle, cleaning the wheels and tires, doing a clay bar treatment, doing an iron decontamination, and then applying a high quality sealant to your vehicle for shine and protection. If you're interested in getting more information on our services or on our detailing services or anything about us, you can check the description box down below for more information on our website. Feel free to call us, text us, email us, whatever you'd like to get more information. We'd be happy to talk to you, and we hope to hear from you soon.